Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to model this 2D drawing using AutoCAD. For that, first go to the AutoCAD software. Now I have opened the AutoCAD software. Here I am using Autodesk AutoCAD 2022. First go to New. Now we are in the new window. Then I'm just opening the model left side, software in the right side to easy explanation. First, before start modeling any model, first we need to set the units or check the units. Type units. Our units are in mm, so choose mm. Here our units are in mm, choose millimeter. Here we are using a 2. After the point 2 decimal, we are using a 2 decimal precision. So here we choose 2. After the point, we need to choose 2 decimals. Here we make it decimal only. Then say OK. Then we need to specify the limits. Just type limits. Left corner is 0, 0. Just type 0, 0. Enter. Right corner we need to specify the bigger size. I'm just specifying 50, 50. Then Z enter, A enter. Now we have set the screen. Then we can start modeling the model. Now we'll create a rectangle with a length of 10 and width of 6. For that, just take this corner rectangle. Just click here. Length is 10. Then press the tab to change the editing feature with this 6. Now we have created the outer rectangle. Then here the inner rectangle, they have specified the offset value of 0.50. The same will use it. Here you can see there is a offset feature. This one is offset. We can take it from here also, or just type O. Here this one is the offset, or you type O, you will get offset. Now just specify the offset distance. It is asking offset distance is 0.5, 0.5. Just enter. Select the object. Inside we need to offset it. Select it. Now just escape it. Now we got a inside rectangle. Then we just want to create here see the radius of R1 with 4 edges, 4 corners. For that you just go for the fillet. Just type F, enter. It is asking the radius. Just R, enter. Just type 1, enter. Now just simply select these 2 edges. Again, to repeat, to get the previous command or repeat the command, just enter it. Select the first object and select object, and again enter it. First one and second one. Just enter first one and second one. Just escape. Now we have come out from the previous command. Now we'll create a center circle. For that, C, enter. Just move, you will get the object center. If you are not getting this point, just go here, switch on the geometric center, then you will get the geometric center. Now just go for circle, C, enter. Now see, you got the geometric center. Just click this one. Now the radius of the circle is 2. Just 2, enter. 2, enter. Now we have created the inner circle. Then we will create these 2 circles. First you see outer circle with the diameter 1, 4. Inner circle is diameter is 0.6. For that, just C, enter. C, enter. This is the center point. Now the diameter, just D, enter. Diameter is 1, just 1, enter. Then get the previous command again. Just enter it. It will ask the center point. Then specify the diameter as just D, enter. Specify the diameter as 0.6. Now we have created this circle. Then we need to mirror it. For that, simply select these two circles. Then just go for mirror, just MI, enter. Then we need to specify 2 points. Based on that, we need to mirror it. This is the 2 point. Then no. Again, we need to mirror these two circles. Select these 4 circles. Then type MI, enter. Now based on this point, we need to mirror it. This is the second point. Just no. Now we got all the features. Finally, we need to make this rectangle. For that, take a corner rectangle. Just click here. The width is 5.20, 5.2 and tab, and this one is 1.2. Then simply select this object and move M, enter. Move this one to this center one. Then trim the unwanted edges, TR, enter. This one and this one. Then escape. Now we have finished this model. Then you just create the center line. For that, just create a simple line, just L, enter. This is a center point. Just create a line, one line. Switch on the ortho mode by pressing F8. This line, right click, cancel. Similarly again L, enter. Here, from here to here, just make it. Right click, cancel. Just select these two lines. We need to change the properties. For that, just go the second bilayer, others, load the dash. There is a feature called center. Just scroll down. Here you can see this one is the center line. Just say OK, then close it. Now just simply select these two lines. Then here just go for bilayer. Choose this center line. Now we have specified this center line also. Then simply select a complete object. Just go for the bilayer, 0.35. Here switch on the width. Then again select these two lines. Just go here. Change this into default. That's it. Now we have finished this model. Now we can go for dimensioning. Simply just go draw the dimension one by one. Here this width, this one is 10 mm. This is very small, you can see. Just increase the size to little bit more. For that, go for dim style, modify, symbols and arrow. Here we make it 0.7. Text also make it 0.7. Primary units make it 2 digit. Just say OK, then close. This is little bigger now. Just increase this into modify. Symbols and arrow make it 0.3. Text also make it 0.3. Then close it, then close it. This size is enough. Now we'll specify that the remaining dimension one by one. Here you can see this dimension is 6. And this offset length we need to specify from here to here 0.5. Just move this to a center location, or just move into outside. Then go for the linear dimension again. This distance is 5.20 and this distance is 1.2. This one you move to center. Then we need to specify the radius of the circle. Just go here, radius. This circle radius is R2 and here we need to specify the dimension. Both are they specified as diameter. So outer circle, which is diameter, just double click this one, just come this side, 4 space into space dia 1. Similarly, just go to the diameter, inner one, which is, just double click this one, just come to this side. This also be 4 space into space 0.6. Similarly, we need to specify this fillet, which in the escape, just press the escape to come out from the previous command. Now this also be a radius they have specified. Choose the radius one. This one is the radius of 1. Then press the escape, just double click it, left arrow, type 4 space into space R1, then escape. Now see, the complete model is done. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. In next tutorial we will come up with a new model. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.